Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can build 2x1 in Rust. So the famous 2x1, what you'll need to do is basically build foundation like this, build right here, and put a triangle foundation to this side or this side. So I'll put it at this side, and now put the walls around it like this. And right here we will put doorway, put triangle right here, and let's put floor right here. And we need to place our cupboard, but first what we'll need to do is place the doors. So how you place the doors, because you will need to make sure there's a specifically airlock, so make sure that inside doors is pointing outside like this, and the outside door, sorry, pointing inside like this. Now you can put the locks like this, and as you can see, now you have an airlock, so people can't go through like this. After that, what you'll need to do is put a TC right here, and your base is good to go. So right here, put some materials to not decay this base. After that, after you progress in the game, upgrade your base to the stone and etc. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.